I think the #1 hair fiber out there is Toppik. Toppik hair fibers, they've been around for a long time. They're veterans in the game. They have all kinds of different colors. I mean, they have brown, they have light brown, dark brown, black, gray, white, light blonde, dark blonde. They have all the colors in the spectrum, so it could match a lot better to your hair color. I get the dark black because after I use gel, my hair pretty much turns jet black. So I use the black versus using the dark brown. I have a lot of people telling me, hey, doesn't the black look fake? Well, I believe that the dark brown and the black, they're really similar. I could only notice just a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys this test right now on the screen. You guys could judge for yourself, but I just think that the dark brown is just a smidge off of the black color. But medium brown is definitely a lot lighter. So depending on what hair color you are, make sure you match it. And that's another thing I want to talk about is you could pop the top on the Toppik hair fiber cap and you could actually mix and match. That way you could match your hair color even more. So you could get the gray, you could get the salt and pepper, you could mix it. That way it matches your hair a little bit better than what they have going on. Another reason why I think Toppik is #1 is because they came out with the pump spray first, and I use the pump spray for my beard versus the top of the head. I just go on the top of the head and let gravity do its thing, and I just pour it kind of on top like so. But they do have the pump spray, and there are other companies that came out with it, but they all copied Toppik, so you know, you choose which one you want to go with. This next tip is very important, especially if you use gel or any hair products. So after using the gel, you want to make sure your hair is 100% dry before you apply any type of hair fiber. So if you do not wait till your hair is dry, your hair actually becomes more of a magnet when it's wet. And the point of any hair fiber is to get it all the way down to your scalp. So some people think that you're supposed to attach it to your existing hair like on the top, but no, that is incorrect. What you want to do is you want to make it go all the way down into the scalp, and that gives you the full set of hair look. Okay, so if it's wet, it makes it stick like a magnet. Trust me on this one, you guys. You want your hair 100% dry before you apply any type of hair fiber. Another question I get a lot is how long does the hair fiber last? And it all depends on what size you have. Like for Toppik, they have the small, medium, and large bottles. Also, it depends on the amount, how much you're using. So if you're thinning out like me, I say a medium bottle of Toppik could last me anywhere from 2 months to 3 months easily. Another comment that I see a lot are people saying, oh yeah, you could apply hair fiber on people, but you can't do it to yourself. Actually, I have a tip for you guys, and it's for the back of the head. All you do is you grab your mirror and you stand in front of another mirror, and that's gonna help you see the back of your head. So once you're looking through the mirror, you gotta kind of go in reverse. So pay attention to what you're doing. It takes a lot of practice. Yes, it is hard in the beginning, but if you guys want to put the hair Toppik fiber all the way in the back of your head, this is the way to do it. If you guys want to get that crisp line, I use a piece of cardboard. In this case, it's Lucky Charms, but it doesn't matter what it is. Just grab a cardboard, you cut it out, and what I do is I put it on my head, and then it kind of acts like a guideline. So I put the Toppik on, I sprinkle it on. You guys know I call it pepper sometimes, so I sprinkle on the pepper, and then it makes that crisp line once I remove the cardboard. And other people, they like using tape. I've seen other videos that they use tape, but what I use is cardboard, and I also use my hand sometimes. So when I don't need a straight line and I need it kind of curving, that's when I put my hand up and then sprinkle the pepper on, and then I'm good to go. So one of the cons about using the spray pump is that it gets everywhere. So yes, it is messy, but like I said, I do like using it on my beard. And I'm showing you guys this demo right now, and it only took 15 seconds, believe it or not. So it is pretty quick, and it's nice, crisp line, and it just looks nice and thick. Another trick, if you want to get the hair fiber on nice and even, you want to make sure you hold it parallel to your head. I know sometimes I mess up and I kind of tilt it sideways, and when you tilt it sideways, too much goes in one area and that looks fake, it looks whack. Do not do that. Make sure you have it nice and flat. That way it's going down at an even level and everything looks nicer and flatter that way. One of the number one questions I get is hair fiber waterproof? And sorry, but no, it is not waterproof. You can make it water resistant. You got the locking fiber spray that's from Toppik. You could use that, and that actually smells pretty good. And so what you do is after you put the fiber on, you spray it and it locks it to your skin the same way pomade does. But like I said, it is water resistant, not waterproof. If it rains, you better head somewhere that the rain is not getting to your head, or just grab an umbrella. Since we're talking about rain, I wanted to talk about wind. So unless you live in Chicago, Chi-Town, where it's crazy windy, the wind does not affect Toppik. A little bit of wind is going to be okay, but I'm telling you, if you live somewhere like Chicago, you better be careful, because if it's a strong gust of wind, it'll blow off a little bit of Toppik, but nothing crazy. All right, you guys, this next one is a travel hack, and this one is very important, especially if you're going to bring your hair fiber with you. I just grab a little bit of tape. I use painter's tape. You could use duct tape. So I just use a little bit of tape on top of the bottle, and that actually covers it, so you're not messing around and getting everything messy in your luggage or in your bags. So that's just a quick travel hack. Hope you guys like that one.